Question number 10. The equation of a circle is given as this. The line with equation y equal to mx plus c passes through the point 0, minus 9 and is a tangent to the circle. So whenever we say tangent, we know that our discriminant is equal to 0. This is one thing we know. Find the two possible values of m. For each value of m, find the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle. So we have to also find the coordinates alongside finding the values of m. We have to find the coordinates at which the tangent is touching the circle. So first, we know this equation, so let's write that down first. Y equal to mx plus c. If we place this coordinate in this equation right here, we will be able to find the value of c. So placing 0, minus 9, right, we'll place 0, minus 9 and we'll see that we get minus 9 is equal to m into 0 plus c, or c equal to minus 9, right? X is 0, so this entire thing becomes 0 as well. Now we have the equation to be y equal to mx minus 9. So this is the final equation. Okay, so now if we put this equation in our circle equation, then we will have another equation which we can use and find out the values of m with the discriminant method. So let me show how we can do this. So x minus 3 whole squared plus, we'll place, instead of y we'll place this mx minus 9 whole squared, and this is equal to 18. Or now we will expand the equation. X squared minus 6x plus 9 plus m square x squared 2 into 9 minus 18mx plus 81. We'll shift this to the left, minus 18 equal to 0. Again we'll write x squared plus m square x squared. I'm just putting the common terms together now. Minus 6x minus 18mx plus so we have an 8 minus 18 here, 18 here, 9 here, 9 plus 81 minus 18. Okay, so it's 72, which is equal to 0. And then we will take the coefficients of x as common. Let me show. M squared plus 1. So I've taken it common from this section. Now we'll take plus x common from this section. Then we'll have minus 6 minus 18m, and 72 is just 72. So found till this much. Now we will do b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. We'll use the discriminant, or b squared. This is b, this is our c, and this is our a. So minus 6 minus 18m whole squared, minus 6 minus 18m whole squared minus 4a and c, right, is equal to 0. Or now we'll expand this, which is, this will become 36. Then we'll have minus 2 into minus 6 and into 18m minus 4 into 72 is 4 into 72 is 288, and this is m squared plus 1 equal to 0, or 36. What will this become? This will become plus, actually. 2 into 6 into 18, 216m minus oh, one minute, I missed one thing, I'm so sorry. Right. So here I did not do plus 18 m square, then it will be, sorry, minus, we found 288 m square plus 1 equal to 0, plus here there will be a plus, and 18 m squared will do 324 m squared, then minus 288, so 288 m squared minus 288 equal to 0. Or now we will bring in for the m squared ones. Let's say 324 minus 288, it is 36 m squared, only 1 with m, plus 216 m, and then we have 36 minus 288, which is minus 252 equal to 0. And then put this equation in your calculator. We should find our answers, which is m minus 1 and m plus 7 equal to 0. I just used the calculator. Therefore m equal to 1 or m equal to minus 7. So we found two possible values of m. This is 8 marks. Interesting. Very long sum it is actually. Okay, now find the coordinates they're asking. So we'll place these values of m in this equation to find the coordinates. So m equal to 1, right? So it will be 1 squared plus 1 x squared plus minus 6 minus 18 x plus 72 is equal to 0. From this we need to find out what is x. Place the equation in the calculator again. 2 minus 24 and 72. So I'm just getting x minus 6 whole square equal to 0, or x equal to 6. Now put this value of x in this equation, right? Put this there. So y equal to mx plus c, or y equal to, so y equal to, the value of x is this, the value of m we are using is 1, so 1 into 6 minus 9, we found c to be minus 9, which is equal to minus 3. Therefore one coordinate is 6 comma minus 3, right? 6 comma minus 3 is our first coordinate. Again, now for the second coordinate. So m equal to minus 7, then we will do is this equation. So m square, which is minus 7 whole square plus 1 x squared, plus minus 6 minus 18 minus 7, this is x, plus 72 is equal to 0, or this would yield 49 over here in this 1, so 50 x squared, and this part is minus minus 6 into minus 6 minus 18 into minus 7, so plus 120x, and the 72 plus 70 equal to 0. Again, place this in the calculator. Which is x equal to minus 6 by 5. Use calculator just, and y equal to mx plus c, or y equal to m is minus 7 and this is minus 6 over 5 minus 9. 7 into 6 over 5 minus 9, we should have minus 3 by 5. So the other coordinate is minus 6 by 5 comma minus 3 by 5. So I guess that is all that we had to do for that question. We have found two possible values of m. and also found the coordinates at which the tangent touches the circle. So that is that question. Then this was a very long question. If you do mistake in even one part, the entire sum could go wrong. So write a tricky sum, so make sure to do it with extreme caution. Okay, another big sum. This sum is worth 13 marks, 5 plus 8. So they've kept the hardest bits for the last parts. Question 11. A function is defined by fx equal to this for x not equal to 0. The graph of y equal to fx is shown in the diagram while a set of values of x for which fx is decreasing. So this means dy by dx is less than 0 always, right? For decreasing, that is the condition. So dy by dx is equal to dy dx of, we will convert this to a little simpler version. We'll take this x to the power cubed as x to the power minus 3, and we'll write it as 4x minus 3. Right, 4x minus 3 minus 3x minus 1 plus 2, and we'll differentiate this. So minus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 4x minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1, and this would be x minus 1 plus 0, which is minus 12, x minus 4 plus 3x minus 2. dy by dx is equal to 0. Right, so first we need to find the value. So let's first do dy by dx equal to 0, or minus 12x minus 4 plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0, or 3 by x squared is equal to 12 by x squared, or 3 to the, we'll cross multiply now, 4 equal to 12x squared. Right, we don't even have space in the next page. Okay, or if we take the 3x squared common, I'm just putting it towards the left version. I don't have space. You people show all the workings possible. Actually, let's not put it to the left, let's rather put this to the right. So 3x squared, if we take common, we'll have 4 minus x squared. I've taken 3x squared common from this, so x squared remains equal to 0, or x equal to 0, comma 4 minus x squared equal to 0, or x equal to plus minus 2. So root of 4 is 2, and since it's root, it's plus minus 2, so those are the values. Now we will have to write the set of values. So dy by dx, x is not equal to 0, never. So it can either be less than 0 or greater than 0. So therefore there is minus 2, x is greater than minus 2 and less than 0, as it cannot be 0, so it cannot be greater than equal to 0, or it is greater than 0, and it is greater than, they've asked for set of values, there can be more than one, 0, greater than 0 and less than 2. This can also be written in another format, that first you write it in this range. Now this range contains 0, right? So to eliminate this, we will just write x not equal to 0. So all the values in this range will be considered except x equal to 0. So I guess that is all with that sum. I hope we have given only the set and fx is decreasing. Right, that is correct. A triangle is bounded by the y-axis, the normal to the curve at the point where x equal to 1. So there is a normal to the curve at x equal to 1. Let's say, let's at this point, let's say this is x equal to 1. Right, this is, let's say, x equal to 1. x equal to 1, and the tangent to the curve at the point x equal to -1. So now let's say this point be, okay, so let this point be x equal to -1. First we will draw a tangent at this particular point like this, right? Sorry. So a tangent as such. Man, why is it going like this? I need to make it straight, but also considering, oh man, I'm really sorry, but let me try to get this right first. Yeah, that looks very nice. Okay, let's say, so that is the point they are saying -1, and that is my tangent, and there is a normal at this very point. So the normal should be something like this. That's not okay actually. I actually need to give a very nice diagrammatic like representation, or else it will be hard to understand. The graph should be kind of like that. That looks better. If I draw a normal right down there, then okay, just remember this guys, that this angle is 90. This thing here is the normal, and this thing here is the tangent. I'm sorry if the diagram is not the best one. This is -1, and this is just 1. Okay, so found that. Then so find the area of the triangle. Okay, so the triangle that they're asking for is this one, right? This is the triangle they are particularly asking about. And one more thing is, let me draw one straight line down there. Right, there is one straight line down there, which is also 90 to the surface. Okay, now let's see where we're at. So we need to find the area of this triangle. So for that, so we would actually want to know the coordinates, right, of this point and the coordinate of this point. Isn't that so? One minute. So okay, to get these two coordinates we first need the equation of normal and equation of tangent. We'll do that. So first we need the full coordinates for y equal to x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, y equal to, we'll place it in our main equation, 4 plus 3 4 minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 3. And again at x equal to -1, y equal to it is 1. So we found both the coordinates. So we did do dy by dx. Now we need to find the gradient of the tangent. Dy by dx at x equal to 1 is minus 12 minus, sorry, just 1 minus 4 plus 3, 1 minus 2, right? I hope that is clear. From that initial equation, this gives us the value of minus 12 into 1, which is minus 9. So this is the gradient of tangent, right? Gradient of tangent. And the gradient of normal is the negative reciprocal, which is 1 over 9, right? I hope that is clear. It is 1 over 9. And then we'll write the equation of normal, which is okay, we'll use which coordinates actually. Okay, we can just use any one of them. Let's use this one. Y minus 3 equal to 1 by 9 x minus 1, right? Or y equal to x by 9. So 1 minus 1 divided 9 plus 3 minus 1 divided 9 plus 3 plus 26 by 9. Okay, then we'll find the equation of the tangent, right? We can again use this coordinate here, which is y minus 1 equal to minus 9 x minus 1 plus minus 1, so x plus 1, y equal to minus 9x minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8, right? Now what is the meeting point for both of them? This one here is the meeting point, so we need that. Right, so meeting point so minus 9x minus 8 is equal to where's the other equation? Oh, this one, x by 9 plus 26 over 9, or x by 9 plus 9x equal to minus 8 minus 26 by 9. 1 divided 9 plus 9 is this. So just do it in our calculator. Minus 8 minus 26 divided 9 into 9 by 82. I'm not sure. Okay, it's coming minus 49 by 41. Okay, now we need to find this points, actually the points I was initially talking about, this one here and this one there. At y-axis, x of tangent, where the tangent is intersecting is for y-axis, where's the equation? Okay, so so I don't know why I did this. So at y-axis, y tangent is equal to minus 8. At y-axis, y normal is equal to, where is that, 26 by 9, because x will be 0. Let's just mention that x is 0 for any possible confusion. 26 by 9. So I found both of the values, and now let me show what the area would be. So at their meeting point, x value is this. So now let me show you how you can find the area. So area of triangle is half into this distance first, which we just found out over here, 49 by 41 into the summation of this distance with the summation of this distance, which is 8 plus 26 by 9, 8 plus 26 by 9, right? So we have done half into base into height, and when we put this in calculator, we should find our answer. I'm bringing it down to decimals, right? So that is the question. A very very big and lengthy question, this last two. I took my time, but exam hall definitely you can do faster. They're very easy. It's just that you gotta like think through for a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, and then you just get through the solution quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and like I always say, stay tuned and peace.